sushi and sashimi lunch. At may natira pang isang piece, ha? So Pinoy.
Yes, Miss Carol. Nagkahiyaan.
Wow, kayong dalawa. That's surprising considering the results of your last EQ test.
Umira lang kasi yung pagka-Pinoy namin. Yung laging may natitirang piece of shame.
Piece of shame.
Short for natirang huling piraso kasi nagkahiyaan.
Actually, tinira namin talaga yan para sa inyo, Miss Carol.
Really?
Yes, of course, because you're someone special and that's something special, so sa'yo na yan.
Talaga, ha?
Opo.
I don't mind. Akin na to.
Ay, sama ang kain ko. Hoy! Sinuluwa akong banana ko dito.
Miss Joy, napapansin ko parati ikaw na lang nagdadala natin mga foreign guests. Bakit? Ang qualifications mo?
Naiinggit ka dahil may pagkadiplomatang dating ka, no?
Hindi, may pagkayaya.
Ay, for your information, itong si Mr. Joshua Grobanks ay nasa sister company natin sa States. And he is here kasi he will be working with a lot of Pinoys. At he wants to know our culture more and more.
A lot of people get into conflicts because of cultural differences. I want to know how to relate to Filipinos in a social situation. Like, I understand you Filipinos love to drink coffee.
Oh, that's true. Vicente, kape! And we serve the finest, the finest coffee only for the best guests like you.
Wow, that looks special.
Of course. Drinking in is a that experience. It is like, viewing art.
Hindi kay pipitisyon yan. Mr. Grobanks, we will let you experience Filipino dining etiquette.
That looks yummy.
Sometimes you go to a house and the family is eating already.
You wait for them to invite you. You start role-playing. So now we'll say, let's eat. Or, kain na.
Thank you.
Wait, you say no first. You wait again to invite you.
How come they get to eat?
We're family members.
Oh.
Remember? Aren't you hungry? Kain na.
Thank you.
No. You wait for us to invite you 3 times.
3 times. When does the legendary Filipino hospitality kick in?
It's urban legend.
So I wait, even though I'm hungry. Yeah, the heck with that. I'm hungry. I'm American. Deal with it.
That, my friend, is another Filipino custom. You leave one piece.
Oh. Is it like an offering to your God?
No, it shows our collective thoughtfulness for someone who might like it.
Or we could try democracy. We could debate over who gets the last piece.
Kasi payat ako.